What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video with the Math Maker. My name is Jordan, and today we'll be talking about circles again. I know I have been talking about circles lately. That's what I've been lately talking about. But there's still some more things I need to tell you guys about, like the circumference and pi. I'm sorry that I haven't been able to do any videos. I've been having some problem trying to upload just one of the videos, and that is my circle one. I've really been trying to just fix that one up, and I wasn't able to upload it until I found the problem. So that's why I haven't uploaded any videos so far. Back to the lesson. So then like I left off last week, we were talking about the radius and diameter. What happens if we want to find the circumference? See, I'll just put it there. So to find the circumference, it is C equals 2 pi r. Technically meaning 2 times pi times r. And the r stands for radius. We're going to use this question for it right now. So right now, we already know that the diameter is 16. But let's say that's all you had. Let's pretend I didn't put 8 on both of them. You would know that the diameter is 16. And if you know that, you also know that the radius is half of the diameter. So you would know that all you would have to do is divide this by half, and then you would get your radius. And like you already seen as it's written here, the radius is 8. So then we can erase r, and then you can put 8. So 2 times pi times 8. So now if you want to do the circumference, you can do this. You can actually multiply 8 times 2. You'd get 16 pi. And then this would equal the circumference. Or since we know that pi is around 3.14, and it would keep on going every time we get a more specific answer, we can calculate that pi would be 3.14. And then all we would have to do is multiply 3.14 by 16. And then we would have 16 times 3.14 times 16. This would be 4, 2, 6, 8. 18, 0. First one's always 0, then that's 4, 1, and 3. 4, 2, 9, 10, and 5. So then your answer would be 16 times 3 would equal 50 and 24 hundredths. And then for this, that'd be your circumference for this circle. The circumference, like I said last time, is figuring how much the circle is around. Kind of like finding the area or perimeter of how wide the circle is. So now I'll do it for also this question because I had it up for a very long time, and I also think it's a very good question to use for. So we do the same thing. The circumference equals C equals 2 pi, and now this isn't the best pi, times r. So then, what we already know, that a radius is 5. So that's one thing we can erase. So we already know a radius is 5. So now, all we need to do is 2 times 5 equals 10. Now 10, now you can either do this would equal the circumference with your pi, and this is what the circumference would be. Or you can multiply the 3.14, which we know that's around what pi is. Let's say we want to do that, because I'm going to be doing that for the lesson, because you can always just leave your circumference like that as your answer. But since that's the easier way, I wanted to try to do the hard way, which means all you do is 3.14 times 10. We already know that's going to equal 31.4, but I'm still going to do it 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 1, 3. And like I said, all we would be doing is going back one place, 1, 2. And it's still 31.4, or 31 and 40 tenths. And then this would be your circumference. I'll put the extra hundredth or the extra 0 behind it. And then this would be your circumference. So again, the only thing you need to do to find the circumference is the radius, how far the center from the circle to one end of the circle is. So the radius from the edge of the circle, that would be your radius. So you need to find the radius, multiply that by 2, and if you want to leave it just like that, then you can. Or you can also multiply pi, which is approximately 3.14. And that's for any of a circumference problem. That's all you would have to do, is find whatever the radius is, then multiply that by 2, and if you have to, or you want to, you multiply that by 3.14 or pi. And don't forget that diameter is just 2 radiuses, or from one end to the circle to the other end connected, from the biggest part. When I mean the biggest part, if you did it like this, that's not the widest width it can possibly go. This is. So, because this is from one end to another, but I'm talking about from the biggest parts possible. What I mean by that is from here to here is one of the biggest parts. Here to here. But you can also just do right here, but then that wouldn't be the biggest part. So from the center to the outer edge to the circle would be your radius. If you double that, then you would get your diameter, because then you would have the other side done. The circumference is the radius times 2, and if you have to, times pi. I hope you guys learned something today. Please don't forget to like and also subscribe if this is one of your first time watching any of my videos. Comment down below if you have any questions, and also if you want me to do any math video. Also tap the notification bell so you can get more updates on when I post my videos. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.